Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. As you can see, my hair is pretty undefined and poofy, and really that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be about those days where you should have slept with a bonnet but you didn't. You should have did that twist out but you did not. You should have kept your hair in that silk scarf or slipped on that silk or satin pillowcase but you didn't. So what do you do now? This is for all of you out there who tend to just be like, look, I was just too lazy that night, or I just, I was too lazy for those couple of nights in a row, because I do it too. Okay? I am a bad natural sometimes. And I'm really not here to say that I'm perfect. And I'm not here to say that, we have perfect days all the time and that I always remember to deep condition my hair once a week, because I don't. There are times where I just don't want to be bothered with my hair. I do admit that my hair gets longer and I'm just like, bro, where are you going? Like, I want you to be at waist length, but I really don't want you to get there so fast. Like, you really gotta chill out. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Cindy and I go by indianLiv on all social media platforms. That's Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and of course here on YouTube, where I'll be talking about hair topics and hair tips and all of that. And I really want to keep this video short, so if you want to learn more about what this channel is about, go ahead and watch the reintroduction video of this channel on the channel homepage. That's a lot to say, but let's just get right into this. My hair is poofy. There's no definition. I have not put any defining products on my hair since the last time I washed it, which was a week ago. What did I do a week ago? I co-washed. Why did I co-wash? Because I didn't feel like shampooing and deep conditioning. I just didn't really have the attention span. And honestly, do I regret it? Yes, I do. Every single time I don't put products in my hair after washing it, I do regret it. But you know what? Sometimes my hair just needs to be without product so it can breathe. I don't know if hair breathes, but that's just what I'm saying. Anyway, what do I do after a week of this? After a week of putting my hair in a puff using a headband and ignoring the fact that it's screaming for me to take care of it. I will either go ahead and take it and part it into sections, finger part it into sections, moisturize it with some moisturizing creams, some leave-in conditioner, something that's moisturizing and that my hair loves as far as those things go, and some water, like I said, and just detangle it and keep it in those twists until it dries, and then let it out as a twist out. Because honestly, a good amount of my twist outs really just come from me needing to do something with it after it looks like this. So yeah, other than me doing something to moisturize it, I like to do things like deep conditioners or hair masks. So I, of course, was running low on my favorite hair mask of all time of all this year. I have to say, it is definitely the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Hair Mask. Intensive hydration is an understatement when it comes to this, sweetheart, because this, honestly, I feel like is the best deep conditioner I've ever used since I've been natural. When I find a new one, I'll put y'all on game and let y'all know what that is. But for right now, this is my favorite, and it never fails. It's like my holy grail as of right now. That's not a sponsored message. I'm just saying I really love that deep conditioner. So outside of deep conditioning, I would like to do like DIY masks. So I'll go ahead and grab some, clay, some apple cider vinegar, some water, get some oils, mix it all together and slap it in my hair. Because honestly, like, if my hair is really crazy, really ain't got no definition to it, that's really what I like to use, because it's like a hair reset. No matter what's going on with my hair stops responding to things. If my hair needs that definition and it doesn't have it, it really needs a deep conditioning and I don't feel like shampooing, that's like my go-to. The only difference between me using that hair mask versus me using this deep conditioner is the steps that I take to actually use that hair mask. This deep conditioner, all I do when I do this is just take my hair into some sections, really drench it in some water, and slap that baby on there really thick and nice and creamy. Let it sit for a good couple of, I would say about 20-30 minutes or so, then start to detangle my hair. As far as the clay mask goes, I usually detangle my hair prior to doing the clay mask, and the process of actually mixing all that together, I save so much more time just by using this and some water and calling it a day. But yeah, that's really what I do when my hair is like this. Hopefully that was very insightful for you guys that are out there and you wake up like this and you like, what do I do? If you don't have time to do any of what I just said, all you really need is a nice little headband, take it, twist it once. Make sure if you're trying to go out, you know, you're trying to make it look sleek and nice, grab some of those leave-in conditioners and some really moisturizing products and slap it on your edges, the perimeter all the way around with some water, brush that up, and then slap this on there and make it a puff and go. Outside of that, I really don't recommend doing much with your hair and trying to manipulate it too much while it's in this state, just because that's just asking for more breakage, more knotting, and more problems. Also, what I like to do to make sure that everything in my head is happy is to make sure that my scalp is happy. Even if I'm not taking care of my hair like I should, I always want to make sure that my scalp is in a good state, because when you have scalp issues, everything else can go bad or go wrong. And once you have scalp issues, they're pretty hard to get rid of. So yeah, scalp oils, keeping my hair a little bit moisturized with some little bit of moisturizing products. And that's what I do when I've been a bad natural and I haven't been sleeping on the stuff I should have for a couple of nights in a row. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this or more videos on this kind of content. And connect with me on all social media at indianLiv. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching this video. I'm gonna go put this in my hair now.